It's my beach run from my house to Carpinteria Beach. This road isn't open yet. It takes forever for me to get done. But anyway, it's good for me on my bike. Okay, now we're coming up to the bridge construction, which is a mess. Okay. Now mind you, if I roll, well, let's see, we'll see what happens here. Traffic's pretty heavy around 8 or a little after. Gotta look behind me. Cars coming off the freeway. One on my left coming by. See? Look at that. Okay. It's gonna take the little there is no happy or better route. But today I'm going to take the pedestrian bridge, but that puts me on the wrong side of the road. But if I mix with the cars, you know, they just, you know, we're not even here on bikes. Pedestrians and cyclists are just not. Okay, survived that one. Okay, you can see it's pretty treacherous. There's a school kid ahead of me. It's not a bad option to be here, but I kind of like going down the road, so when I get to the light I can make a right turn instead of being on the wrong side of the street. But here it looks like I might catch a break. Go this way. Okay, car coming. Then a truck. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, now this isn't good. The light just turned red. Oh. See the cars turning left, that means I can go. Alright. Go, go, go. Because they're going to be coming behind me. Go, go, go. Okay. Gotta wait. Okay, now here you go. This is crazy. School. Oh, the madness. The madness. Okay. Now you notice I'm almost in the road, that's what Okay, so you use pedestrians as a shield, human shields. Not too bad. Block and a half to go. Winding it up. I'm riding a 1990s Mongoose with twist shifters. You know, I bought from my neighbor for $50. I put a lot more into it. But it is an awesome bike. Steel frame. I think it's 7-speed, maybe 8. Triple on the front, so very low geared, and I can pedal it nearly 30 miles an hour, and then before it starts to spin out. It's not a road bike. I mean, it is a great little bike. Okay, almost there. It's Carpinteria State Park, I guess. And nobody's in this first campground here. Here's my parking place. So you can come here and steal my bike. Okay, over and out.